everyone. Today I'm going to talk about the Universal Prosthetic Kit from SIS Dental. This kit is very useful because you can do the implant restoration on all major implant systems. If you open this kit, you will see 4 types of the drivers. There are 1.2 hex, 1.25 hex, SCS type, and Unigrip. Okay. Each driver comes with 2 lengths. The short one is 10 millimeter, and the long one is 15 millimeter. Okay. The torque wrench is the arch type, so this indicates how much torque that you're gonna have. For the SIS dental abutment, we recommend tightening the abutment screw with 30 Newton, so up to here. Okay, and that's how you use the SIS Dental Universal Prosthetic Kit. Thank you.